year and a half ago, I decided that it's time to bring it back. And I talked to a friend of mine, Alani, and we discussed what we wanted to do.
Lee approached me with an idea. He had started an organization, FIN, or Freedom Informant Network, to kind of unite individuals in the fight against global corruption. I said, of course, I wanted to be involved with it. We found that using other social platforms like Google+, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, things of that nature just weren't real conducive of what we wanted to do. We needed our own.
We want to build a platform where you can come together with other like-minded individuals, share information, share your ideas, learn from one another, and connect and really network with other people that are just tired of dealing with the BS that the world shoves down the people's throat every single day.
A platform like FIN allows individuals from different groups, different organizations to come together and organize and interact and learn and share from each other.
Because if you're not happy with something, you have every right in the world to address that, to fight for what's right, to stand against anything that doesn't stand with you or isn't kosher with your life, because that's your individual freedom. The Freedom Informant Network does not deal in conspiracy theory, rather conspiracy fact.
We're not anonymous. We're not any of the Occupy movements. FIN is its own entity.
We are not in any kind of relationship with any kind of politician or political party.
There's really no limitations to what we can do going forward in the future.
Enough people standing against the system and saying enough is enough, I'm not taking part in this, system is corrupt, I don't want anything to do with it, and you're going to bring that system to its knees. And education and knowing what's going on in today's world is detrimental to having any sort of change. Because as we educate one another and as we grow in numbers, what you're going to see is a fluid, well-educated, formulating machine come about. And as that takes place, we can take that to the streets in a form of activism like the world has never seen. What we can do with mass protests, not even just in the United States, but across the world, in conjunction with mass boycotts against the corporations that basically thrive on pillaging of the world, of the oppression of entire civilizations, mass non-compliance, even if it were just for a day or a week. All of us together, the impact we can make on this system by just simply saying enough is enough and I will not take part in this any longer, we can bring the system to its knees. So that's how we address it. We educate, we learn, we share, and then we take it and bring it to the streets and make it known that we're not going away until this is resolved.
Hello world, we are the Freedom Informant Network. And as of this day, so are you. With the launch of our newly devised social platform for media by the people and for the people, we may all unite together in one conduit of information with the tools to organize on a mass scale. In a time such as this, we must focus, educate ourselves in one another and become active in making a difference. We are not simply an independent social media outlet. FIN is a growing, information-driven machine for change. Real change. Our change, in a world run by governments and regimes that care not for the people, but rather their own political and financial gain, it is up to the people to set the matter straight. After all, it is primarily our fault for allowing them to get to where they are at this point, is it not? We remained silent as they moved our jobs away, as they stripped our cultures and replaced them with their own capitalist agenda, as they began taking our individual freedoms and liberties in the name of security. My friends, the only people who need security now are those who had crisis. The Freedom Informant Network, or FIN for short, will become much more than an information outlet. In time we will focus on organization and mobilization. While we grow our network and community, information and access to it will increase as well. Let it be known that the Freedom Informant Network does not deal in conspiracy theory, but rather conspiracy fact. We will educate one another and share our voices with the world via tools implemented within our network. Our ranks will grow, our intelligence will increase, and we will shape ourselves into well-educated, formulating adversaries to anyone who tries to stand in the way of the people and our freedom. Our voice will carry as their control slips more and more. In time we will begin organizing across the globe. We the people will take to the streets and orchestrate a mass protest as we mobilize. We shall show the world that we are here. And we are not going to stop until we bring the power back to the people, where it so rightfully belongs. In conjunction, mass boycotts and civil non-compliance will be demonstrated as we bring this destructive greed-based system to its knees. This will be known as the American insurrection in the United States. These events will be mirrored by the people of other countries across the globe. In 2012, the people will rise. Governments, corporations and other regimes, the time has come. You had a good run, but your time of fun is nearly coming to a close. We hope you enjoy playing your game. Now it's time you play ours. The coming year will present many hardships for you in your way of life that you so heartlessly enjoy at the cost of billions of people on this planet. We recommend looking within yourself and finding what humanity may remain inside the callous heart of yours. This will make your transition easier. You have committed countless atrocities against the people of this planet and the planet itself in a conquest for power, control and wealth. You have manipulated your peoples, acting under the guise of their best interests and safety, all the while furthering your own personal agenda. Your crimes against humanity will be counted. What do we desire? A more promising way of life, free of the constraints society has laid upon us. Free of the division. A world with more transparent governments that work for the people, instead of against them, where peace officers are serving the people once again rather than the establishment. A world where we can evolve as a world community, end these senseless wars and settle our differences with nothing more than true diplomacy. We wish to have less corporate influence in our countries and in our daily lives. We want to see the return of Main Street and the gradual containment of Wall Street. And most certainly, we desire the ability to control our own economy by removing the powers that have been granted to the world banks and ridding the world of their paper currencies. To sum the many ideas we share into one statement, we desire a world that works together as human beings in the better interests of the people, decided by the people rather than a world divided by race and nationality that functions solely for wealth and conquest. 2012 is not the end of the world as some may believe. It is the end of our enslavement to the establishment. The end of the bankers' rule, the corporate control, the capitalist destruction. And in this end, there is a new beginning defined by the people. We the people will see your end. You will fight to continue your system of control and it will be unlike any battle you have ever waged. For the first time in history you, the elite, will be fighting for your own hierarchical survival. It will cost you a great deal of your own wealth and resources, all the while fueling our ability to dismantle your system. We approve of these conditions. We approve of these conditions. Your infrastructure will crumble and soon, you will remain standing powerless, unimportant, and irrelevant to the world around you. You will experience what it is to live in a world and possess nothing more than your fancy suit and the shoes on your feet. In that moment, you will be free. We will all be free. We look forward to seeing you. Enjoy what time you have left on your throne. We are the Freedom Informant Network. The time has come. Now we rise.